Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Dodge Durango headrests. First, locate the small release buttons found at the base of each headrest post. You will need to press these buttons firmly. While holding them down, gently pull the headrest straight up and out of its mounting holes. Make sure the seat back is in an upright position for easier removal. This simple process applies to both front and rear headrests, allowing for quick and easy removal. For the front seats, begin by adjusting the seat back to a fully upright position. This provides the best angle for removal. Look closely at the base of each headrest post where it enters the seat. You will see a small, round button on each post. Press both of these buttons at the same time. While holding them, pull the headrest straight upwards until it detaches completely from the seat. Removing the rear headrests is very similar, though you might find it helpful to fold the rear seat back down slightly for better access. Just like the front, each headrest post has a small release button at its base. Press both of these buttons simultaneously. With the buttons depressed, pull the headrest straight up and out of the seat. Remember to store your removed headrests in a secure place. To reinstall a headrest, simply align the two posts with the corresponding holes in the seat. Push the headrest down firmly until you hear and feel it click into its locked position. Give it a gentle tug upwards to ensure it is securely fastened and will not move unexpectedly. Finally, adjust the headrest to your desired height for optimal comfort and safety while driving or riding in your Dodge Durango.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.